8. Born to search. I was in trouble, serious trouble. I was drowning in turmoil. My picture-perfect blended family, yours, mine, and ours, concealed a deep disconnect. Henny and the boys were like oil and water, and I was the desperate bridge builder, constantly trying to mend the cracks. As I struggled to keep the peace, my own emotions simmered just below the surface. My mom and dad? They were relegated to the background, their visits a rare and awkward dance of pleasant small talk. Behind their kindness, unspoken hurt lingered, fueling my guilt and shame for neglecting our bond. Enter Christie, a wise and empathetic psychologist, bursting into my shattered world like a ray of hope. Her compassionate listening, honed through years of psychological practice, was a sacred act, a reverence for my inner world. With gentle prodding and reassuring smiles, she coaxed out the tears, fears, and dreams I'd locked away, session after session. For the first time, I dared to ask, what sensations did I experience in the womb? What was the shock of that first life-changing breath, followed by separation from my birth mother? And what about those mysterious first 4 or 5 days? Who nurtured me? Where did I stay? And how did it influence my earliest self? Raw, gut-wrenching sessions, rivers of tears, unpacking traumas and shattered illusions, and the transformative power of hypnotherapy. One pivotal hypnotherapy session crushed my defenses, revealing the raw emotions of my earliest existence. Womb, prison, silence, fear of movement, fear of rejection, birth mother's anxiety, my own, suffocating, trapped, desperate to escape, strangers' hands, not mom's, no warmth, no softness, no familiar heartbeat, no soothing voice, paralyzing fear, loneliness, despair, tears, sobs, shame, hopelessness, caretakers' whispers, pitying gazes, can't even feed you right, taste, smell, wrong, unfulfilled hunger, emotional and physical, helpless, alone, wanting to curl up, disappear, succumb. Together, Christie and I unlocked the shackles of my birth trauma. With every step, I reclaimed my voice, my choices, and my life. The eternal question, who am I, resurfaced, but with a newfound twist. I discovered my identity was mine to shape, free from external dictates. After each session with Christie, I felt drained, utterly depleted. The emotional release manifested physically. Respiratory tract infections, persistent constipation, despite a 1989 colon surgery, erratic weight fluctuations, debilitating depression, and social withdrawal. Before me stood a mountain of transformation, its slopes carved by trials and tribulations. An inner voice whispered, "Evolve."